It's all fuzzy.
What?
Why is it fuzzy?
It's on my face.
Oh, there it goes. There you go. Hey!
You ready?
The camera. Say hi. There we go. I don't know how to zoom out.
Bump! It's gonna get really bumpy here quick.
Patty and Carol. Patty is blonde.
What are those? What are those? Birds.
Can't see them. Those swans. Oh my god.
Did you stop there?
No. Can I get off here?
Food's right there if you want to get food.
What's that? Oh, is that Christina? Say hi. Alexa wants me to record.
Wait a second. Where are we? Get over
She's
here and
here.
get Joel. Is Alexa out here?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
Kill her. Hey, is that your real hair, Vanessa, or is that here?
This is my real hair.
I love that. Where's Alexa? I don't know.
What?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Want me to zip it?
Over there?
No, we just went inside and talked to him.
Is it working?
3, 4.
Yeah. He's so funny.
There it is.
He's drinking a lot. He walked outside and took a piss. What? Why are they taking your mom too?
Are you just in here by yourself?
Tim's here. Jeff just left.
Oh, he did?
Jeff was here.
Open the door open, guys.
We had 4 lines down.
I'm trying to get out of their way.
Watch out.
Get her, John. What is she doing? What are you doing?
She's gonna drive away.
What'd you do, John?
Snow at her face.
You threw snow at her face? When she comes out, do it again.
No, I'd like to live.
You like to live. What happened to your face?
Where's that? Way out there. Way out there? Where?
Your face is a little wet. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it says that's the red button. John, this is before John took the gator in, and we'll see what happens when he comes back.
Why? Don't let him move.
Say hi.
There's game wardens out here. I don't even know if I have my license. I have one, but I don't know if I have it on me.
Yeah. Well, I got that on videotape, so.
It's going.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Hey!
Oh, hey.
Hey!
Oh.
We're going!
We're
We're
going.
going out in the lake!
Yeah.
In a car!
We're breaking the rules.
That's dangerous.
Yes.
Her mom told us not to.
Oh.
We're doing it anyway!
Oh, we're on the lake.
She better not see this evidence.
She will.
Okay.
But it's gotta be safe because there's heavier vehicles out here than us.
We're just adding to the weight.
Hey, look, there's the boathouse.
How do you zoom?
It's on the top, I think it goes sideways.
So Bruce plows all this shit?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Elephants.
It's so crazy to think that just
I don't know where I'm
in
gonna
the
park
summer
though.
we're out here on a pontoon. We're swimming in here.
Where's the main fish house?
Oh, truck.
Oh, there it is.
Why is this thing making so much noise?
What?
Sounds like it's gonna blow up. Oh, look at the little kid.
Well, I think I'll just park it here.
Where are they?
That's where we gotta put the food.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm stuck. Figured it out.
Holy shit, they're gonna fall. There.
Did you stop it?
No.
Oh.